The Ontel Car Wash Cannon is a convenient, foam-out-spraying cleaning tool designed to transform any standard garden hose into a powerful car washing system. Featuring a multi-eye spray nozzle with adjustable settings, it allows users to switch between modes such as rinse, jet, and foam, making it versatile for cleaning vehicles, patios, driveways, and outdoor furniture. Its built-in soap chamber mixes water and detergent to create thick, clinging foam that lifts dirt and grime without harsh scrubbing. Ease of use is a highlight. Simply fill the chamber with car wash soap, attach it to the hose, and select the desired spray setting. The cannon's lightweight design and ergonomic grip ensure comfortable handling, while the adjustable flow control helps conserve water and soap. The Mobi Lift Mic 2 is a specialized patient lifting aid designed to provide safe, efficient, and comfortable transfers in healthcare and home environments. Built with a durable steel frame and ergonomic design, it ensures stability while reducing strain on caregivers during lifting tasks. Its hydraulic or electric lifting mechanism delivers smooth, controlled movement, making transfers from bed to chair, wheelchair, or toilet both secure and dignified. Comfort and safety are prioritized with padded support arms, adjustable sling attachments, and locking caster wheels that prevent unwanted movement during use. The Mic 2's compact footprint and maneuverable design allow it to operate effectively in tight spaces, while its high weight capacity accommodates a wide range of users. The Glassman Tool is a specialized hand tool designed for precision work with glass and other delicate materials. Crafted with durable stainless steel components, it offers strength while maintaining a lightweight feel for ease of handling. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use, reducing strain and improving control. The tool is engineered to perform tasks such as cutting, scoring, or shaping glass surfaces, making it valuable for professionals in construction, automotive repair, and artistic applications. Safety is a key feature, with smooth edges and controlled cutting mechanisms that minimize the risk of accidental damage or injury. Compact and portable, the Glassman Tool can be easily stored in a toolbox or carried to job sites. Its versatility and reliability make it a trusted companion for both skilled tradespeople and hobbyists working with glass. The hydraulic wheel dollies are heavy dolly-duty automotive tools designed to simplify vehicle movement, positioning, and storage. Built with a sturdy steel frame and hydraulic lifting mechanism, they allow users to raise a car's wheels off the ground effortlessly, making it possible to maneuver vehicles in tight spaces without starting the engine. Each dolly is equipped with smooth rolling caster wheels, enabling 360-degree movement for precise positioning in garages, workshops, or showrooms. Their hydraulic photo-pump system ensures safe and controlled lifting, reducing strain compared to manual jacks. The dollies are engineered to handle significant weight capacity, accommodating a wide range of cars, trucks, and SUVs. Safety features such as locking casters and reinforced construction provide stability during use. Compact and easy to store, they are practical for both professional mechanics and car enthusiasts. The Lanmodo Rearview camera is an advanced automotive accessory designed to enhance visibility, safety, and convenience while driving. Equipped with a high one-definition wide-angle lens, it provides a clear and expansive view of the area behind the vehicle, reducing blind spots and improving confidence during reversing or lane changes. Its night vision capability ensures sharp imaging even in low light conditions, making it especially useful for evening or early morning driving. The system features a large display screen that mounts easily inside the car, offering real-time video feed without distortion. Installation is straightforward, with a plug-and-play design that connects seamlessly to most vehicles. Safety is further supported by waterproof construction, durable housing, and responsive performance, ensuring reliability in all weather conditions. The König Resisto fitting is a premium snow chain accessory engineered to deliver strength, reliability, and ease of use in harsh winter conditions. Designed with high oak-quality hardened steel links, it provides exceptional grip and durability on icy or snowy roads. The fitting system is built for quick installation and removal, allowing drivers to secure their chains without complicated tools or excessive effort. Its resilient construction resists wear and corrosion, ensuring long-term performance even under repeated use. The Resisto fitting is compatible with a wide range of König snow chains enhancing their stability and safety during demanding driving situations. By maintaining firm tension, it prevents slippage and ensures consistent traction. Compact and practical, it can be stored easily in a vehicle for emergency use. The Hitchfire Forge 15 is a rugged, hitch-mounted grill designed for outdoor enthusiasts who want portability without sacrificing performance. Built with a durable steel body and powder-coated finish, it attaches directly to a vehicle's tow hitch, making it easy to bring along for camping, tailgating, or road trips. Its dual high-output burners deliver up to 15,000 BTUs of cooking power, ensuring fast, even heat for grilling meats, vegetables, or other favorites. The Forge 15 features a fold-out design that swings away from the vehicle for safe, convenient cooking. While its large grilling surface accommodates multiple servings at once, practical details like removable grates, a grease management system, and Quick Connect propane compatibility make cleanup and setup simple. Optional accessories, including side tables and hitch extensions, add versatility. The Airport Sweeper is a specialized cleaning vehicle designed to maintain runways, taxiways, and aprons in optimal condition for safe aircraft operations. Built with a heavy-duty chassis and high-capacity sweeping system, it efficiently removes debris, dust, rubber deposits, and foreign objects that could pose hazards to aircraft. Its powerful suction and rotating brushes ensure thorough cleaning across wide surfaces, while advanced filtration systems minimize environmental impact. Equipped with hydraulic controls and precision steering, the sweeper offers excellent maneuverability, even in tight airport zones. Safety features such as warning lights, cameras, and operator cabins with clear visibility enhance operational reliability. Many models also integrate water spray systems to suppress dust and improve cleaning efficiency. The cassette liftgate is a compact, underfloor-mounted lifting solution designed for commercial vehicles that require efficient loading and unloading without sacrificing cargo space. Unlike traditional tail lifts, the cassette system is stored discreetly beneath the vehicle chassis, keeping the rear doors fully accessible and maximizing interior capacity. Its hydraulic lifting mechanism provides smooth, controlled operation, making it ideal for handling pallets, trolleys, or heavy goods. Built with a robust steel frame and anti-corrosion finish, the liftgate is engineered for durability and long-term use in demanding transport environments. Safety features include non-U-slip platforms, automatic locking, and easy-use controls, ensuring secure handling during operation. The design also allows for quick deployment and retraction, saving time during deliveries. The Survival Car Escape Tool is a compact, life-saving device designed to help drivers and passengers quickly exit a vehicle during emergencies. Built with a razor-sharp seatbelt cutter and a hardened steel window breaker, it ensures fast action when trapped inside after accidents, floods, or rollovers. The concealed blade slices through seatbelts effortlessly, while the impact tip shatters side windows with a single strike, providing a reliable escape route. Lightweight and portable, the tool can be mounted on a keychain, visor, or center console, ensuring it is always within reach when seconds count. Its ergonomic design allows safe handling without accidental injury, and the durable construction guarantees long-term reliability. Compact enough for everyday carry, it is suitable for cars, trucks, and emergency kits. The LilHerc 2 is a compact yet heavy-duty material handling solution designed to simplify lifting and moving tasks in workshops, warehouses, and automotive environments. Built with a reinforced steel frame and hydraulic lifting system, it delivers reliable strength while maintaining a manageable size for versatile use. Its adjustable arms and secure locking mechanisms allow it to handle a wide range of loads, from engines to machinery components, with stability and precision. Ease of operation is a key feature. The hydraulic pump provides smooth, controlled lifting, reducing strain on the user. Heavy-duty caster wheels ensure 360-degree maneuverability, making it easy to position loads in tight spaces. Safety is enhanced with non-e-slip surfaces and durable construction, ensuring long-term performance under demanding conditions. The Boosted Safe is a modern security solution designed to protect valuables with advanced technology and durable construction. Built from reinforced steel and tamper-resistant materials, it offers strong resistance against forced entry, making it ideal for safeguarding cash, documents, and personal belongings. Its digital locking system combines PIN access with optional biometric verification, ensuring only authorized users can open it. Convenience is emphasized with interior LED lighting, adjustable shelving, and compact dimensions that allow it to fit seamlessly in homes, offices, or vehicles. The safe also features alarm integration and emergency override options, providing added peace of mind in case of attempted breaches or power failures. Lightweight yet robust, it balances portability with security, making it versatile for different environments. The Expand storage system is a versatile organizational solution designed to maximize space efficiency in vehicles, workshops, or outdoor setups. Built with a durable steel or reinforced polymer frame, it offers strength while remaining lightweight for easy installation and portability. Its modular design allows users to customize compartments, drawers, and sliding trays to fit tools, camping gear, or emergency equipment, ensuring everything is neatly arranged and accessible. Convenience is a key feature. The smooth-to-glide mechanisms and lockable sections provide secure storage while preventing clutter. Weather-resistant finishes protect contents from dust, moisture, and rough handling, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. Compact yet spacious, the Expand storage system is engineered to optimize every inch of available space without compromising durability. The Smart Shoppacart is an innovative shopping companion designed to enhance convenience, efficiency, and safety during grocery trips. Built with a sturdy yet lightweight frame, it integrates smart technology to assist users in managing purchases with ease. Its digital display and scanning system allows shoppers to track items, calculate totals, and even apply discounts or loyalty points in real time. The cart features ergonomic handles, smooth rolling wheels, and adjustable compartments, making it comfortable to maneuver and adaptable for different shopping needs. Safety and practicality are emphasized with anti-theft sensors, secure storage areas, and foldable design for easy transport or storage. Some models also include mobile app connectivity, enabling users to sync shopping lists, receive product recommendations, or navigate store layouts. The ARB Jack base is a rugged accessory designed to enhance the stability and safety of the ARB Jack during off-road recovery and lifting tasks. Constructed from heavy-duty, high-U-density polyethylene, it provides a broad, solid foundation that prevents the jack from sinking into soft or uneven terrain such as sand, mud, or snow. Its ribbed surface and reinforced structure ensure maximum grip and durability under heavy loads, making it a reliable companion for demanding environments. Compact and lightweight, the jack base is easy to store in a vehicle and doubles as a practical wheel chock when needed. Its integrated handle and stackable design add convenience, while the corrosion-resistant material guarantees long-term performance in harsh outdoor conditions.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.